Habari za asubuhi, habari za mchana, habari za jioni, brothers and sisters all over the world. The name of this channel is The African Time. And my name is Thomas. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to show you, I mentioned to you some videos in the past. All of the people of the world are not smarter than us good brothers and sisters in the African world. We have scientists and engineers too. And no matter how often the W's put out that they are superior in all that they do, you see here is not true. This is a major project taking place right here. These good brothers and sisters, these engineers, these construction workers and contractors, they are building a major project here. Major. And doing it very well here in Salaam, Tanzania. Okay? And I'm proud and happy to see it because I come from W land, W world. And in W land and in W world, they give the impression that anytime a person who looks like you and me voices our opinion, gives our advice, brings to bear our intellectual capacity to achieve something, that it's faulty, not credible. Okay? So when you look and you see in this video, you see all these good brothers and sisters, beautiful black African brothers and sisters coming together, unified to build in the African community infrastructure, then you know proof we can do it. We are doing it. We will do it. All right. I just had to let you guys know that. You must understand. We must be the promoters of our own good works and good deeds, so that in the minds of our children and the future of our children and our posterity, that they know and they understand that we control our destiny, not them, not those who do not look for us and wish to gain from our lack of prosperity. I love you. Uhuru. Uhuru. Uhuru.